Hey everyone, it's Pete with Knipex Tools. You all know us for the pliers wrench. You also know us for the Cobra. But did you know we have a full range of tweezers? Just look at all these tweezers that we offer. We offer tweezers that grip, position, strip, and cut. So take a look at the close-up video. We're going to show you just some examples of the applications for these tweezers. In front of us we have 4 different types of tweezers that Knipex carries, and I'll just explain the basics between all 4 of them. But as you've seen before in the introduction, we have a full range of tweezers available for just about any application. So the first one I'm going to start with is what we have the most of in our category is gripping tweezers. This is a typical example of a gripping tweezers. This one just happens to be a blunt tip. We have needle points, we have pointed tips. It just depends on what your application is. These are great for picking up small objects like this little piece of wire, just as an example. The second type of tweezer that we have is what we call a positioning tweezer. So if you look at the front end here, there's a little groove inside of here. That's good for picking up objects like this little component. And I can pick up this component, put it in the circuit board, work with it. The third type of tweezers that we have is this one in here. These are stripping keys. These are actually wire stripping tweezers. Great for stripping really thin, small wire. And the last category that we have in tweezers is this one in here. These are the cutting tweezers. These are great for cutting small wires just like this little piece of wire in here.